morning, everyone. My name is Paridhi. Today, we are learning a story called Rapunzel. There was a childless couple lived in a house, and there was a splendid garden which could be seen. They prayed to God every single day to bless them a child. One day the wife fell very ill and wouldn't eat nothing. So the husband became really worried. If she will not eat nothing, she could waste away. She urged to eat a rose called Rapunzel. But the garden was owned by a wicked witch, which could not allow anyone to enter the garden. And so the husband thought, how could I pluck the rose which my wife wants to eat? If I will not pluck the rose for my wife, then she could waste away. So, one day the husband crept into the garden by taking no one's permission. And when he plucked the rose, and when he turned, he saw that the wicked witch standing before him. The wicked witch demanded his baby daughter that his wife will bring to the world. Then the husband said, okay. Then when the baby was born, the wicked witch appeared and took Rapunzel and locked her in a high tower. One day, a prince was walking through a forest, and he knew about Rapunzel, that the wicked witch have locked the Rapunzel in the high tower, and now she is fooling Rapunzel. Then Rapunzel showed her hair. The prince could help her, and then the prince climbed up Rapunzel's hair. Then the prince's foot got slipped and he fell into the thorny bushes. Then the wicked witch appeared and to change the Rapunzel's place and threw Rapunzel into the desert. Then many years went, and the prince was looking for Rapunzel everywhere. Then the prince reached the desert, and then she saw Rapunzel. When the prince met Rapunzel, Rapunzel became really happy. Then, when the tears fell on the prince's face, then the prince could see again, and they all got married. Happily ever after. The end. Thank you.